Which is deeper, a hole or loneliness? Why?
Okay. You know, this is really an occasion of the brains, Nancy, because we are here to speak about sensitive issues that requires an eloquence of truth and wisdom. But since the question or the topic that I have right now steers the mind, I hope in my humble opinion articulates a more vivid view and understanding. And from this particular question, there are two options, which is deeper, a hole or loneliness. When we say hole, it is just only a material thing that we can see. It's either a manhole or something that is deep or something that is unfathomable. But when we say loneliness, it speaks about emotion, something that cannot be fathomed, not even by material things. So for me, if I'm going to consider or differentiate these two things, of course, loneliness is much deeper because it speaks about your totality as an individual. And when we are talking about totality, it is something that is immeasurable and something that no other things can capacitate it and can do and can go on that particular side of your emotion. Nobody can ever tell what particular feelings you have when you're experiencing loneliness, sadness, because that particular thing is immeasurable. And the only thing who can exactly say what you feel and what you want is God, the omnipotent and the omniscient being. So in these times as a homosexual, we experience so many adversities, so many problems, so many trials, in particular loneliness. Not even my mother, my biological mother, can tell exactly how I feel every time I'm experiencing great turmoils and trials in my life. But every time I go into one corner and pray and ask for God's guidance, that's the only time that I can feel relief from that particular loneliness that I have. And when we say hood, if you go to that particular hood, at least somebody can still hold up your hands and touch you up high and can stay away from that particular hood. So that particular answer can visually see the difference between hood and loneliness. I hope my answer gives you the best thing that you expected from that particular question. Thank you very much, folks.
Thank you very much. Have your final thoughts, Delgado. Let's now call our last, but definitely not the least, candidate number 10.